Good morning. I just wanted to come on here this morning and let you guys know about our food truck project that we're going to be starting. So this is for our culinary unit. So we're going to be creating a food truck and developing a menu that goes along with our food truck. So these are some of the projects or the beginning of the project phase. So the thing that we're going to do first is the history of the food truck. So I'm going to post another little video lecture to Schoology on where food trucks have evolved and how they've changed over the years to become what we know as our food truck. So after you watch that video, I want you to comment what type of food truck you would like to do. After that, you need to start designing your own food truck. So draw a picture of your food truck, including colors and details of what the outside will look like, and then you will need to upload a picture of your food truck. Then, moving on, it's time to start brainstorming for your menu. So this is what the menu assignment looks like. So all the assignment details, the task, and the requirements of what you're going to be doing. So as a reminder, food and restaurants all go together. So the food for a restaurant will have a theme, such as if you do it on Italy, your food is going to be Italian food. So that would be Italian restaurant. So you're going to have things such as pasta, meatballs, salads, things that go along with that country and what food type you are doing. And then, so on your menu, you're going to need to come up with eventually 3 appetizers, 3 main course dishes, and 3 dessert dishes. So you need to also come up with 3 drinks. These drinks must be school appropriate, so they need to be things such as iced tea, soda, Shirley Temples. You can do Roy Rogers. There's all sorts of different drinks, but be sure that they all follow along with the country and the theme that you choose. So each of these items that you put on your menu need to include the name of what that is, a detailed description of the item, so what is in it, and include a price. So these are just some tantalizing words to help you guys come up with different descriptions for your food. So you want to be as descriptive as you can to make people really want to just, ooh, that sounds good. I want to go eat that. Then moving on, there's the part where you can start brainstorming in. So you can type right here. So the country that you would like to do. So I think Italy would be pretty cool. So then you're going to move on and go, well, what kind of food does Italy have? I believe they have Italian. Oops, I spelled that wrong. But that's okay because you can spell check it. And then some appetizers that they might have. So I'm going to think of a restaurant that has Italian food and come up with some appetizers. So I think I want an appetizer to be soup. So let's go with chicken and gnocchi. Sorry, that's kind of a funny word. And then I would come up with more, but I'm just going to walk through this. So then a main course, I'm going to do spaghetti and meatballs. Oh my goodness. I cannot type right now. And then a dessert. What is a dessert for an Italian restaurant? Would be crepes. So then I'm going to choose, I want some strawberry. Maybe we'll do a seasonal fruit. Just to get started. And a drink. A Shirley Temple is my favorite, which is Sprite with cherry sauce, we'll say. And then moving on, these are what you will eventually be graded on. So the requirements that are in there. So obviously having only one is not going to do it. So I would need to have 3 or more different ones. I just did these ones to show you guys an example, and I would continue to work on that. So then after you have that done, I would like you guys to upload that in a document. So you will save it, update it, upload it, so that way I can track where you're at. And then next week coming on, I will give you guys an example of a Canva menu, and you guys will go on and create your own Canva for your restaurant. And then I will also give you kind of the finalization stuff on how you're going to show me that you've done this project to ensure you get a grade on it. So email me, join the Zoom if you have any questions, or message my Google Voice number. You can find all the information on Schoology. If there's any other questions, please reach out, let me know, and have a great day.